Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use yoga blocks and straps. To begin, place a block under your hands in a standing forward fold to reduce strain and lengthen your spine. For seated poses, a block under your hips can help tilt your pelvis forward, improving posture. Blocks are versatile tools that offer support and help you access deeper stretches safely, making your practice more comfortable and effective. Beyond basic support, blocks can enhance engagement. Try placing a block between your inner thighs in poses like Tadasana or chair pose to activate your adductors and strengthen your core. For restorative practices, a block under your sacrum in bridge pose offers gentle back support. Experiment with different heights and placements to discover new ways to deepen your practice and find stability. Now, let's explore yoga straps. A strap is excellent for extending your reach, especially in poses where your hands can't quite grasp your feet, like a seated forward fold. Loop the strap around your feet and hold the ends to gently pull yourself deeper. Straps also help maintain proper alignment in shoulder stretches or when binding, allowing you to access poses safely and gradually increase flexibility. Combining blocks and straps can unlock even more potential in your practice. For example, use a block under your hand in a half-moon pose while a strap helps you reach your lifted foot. This synergy provides both stability and extended reach, allowing for deeper, more controlled movements. Remember to check the description below for a link to some fantastic yoga gear, including the best socks for your practice and other exclusive deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.